Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making banana bread together. In a bowl, I will mix all my wet ingredients together. Then I will set that aside. I'm going to be using coconut flavor. You can also use vanilla flavor here. Yeah, but this is what I prefer to use. Then you can use sugar. Here I'm using honey. You can substitute honey with sugar. Then I set that aside. In a different bowl, I'm going to be mixing all my dry ingredients together. I went in with my baking soda, salt, nutmeg. Then I'll mix this and set it aside. I want to say big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. If you are seeing this video for the first time, thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button on the screen and also like and share this video to your family and friends. Comment, guys, engage, tell me how I'm doing. Thank you as you do so. I'm going to fold in everything together. Please don't over mix your banana bread, just fold it in. Then I'm going to preheat my oven on 270 degrees. Then I'll bake this for 60 minutes. Within that 60 minutes, in 40 minutes, I go and check it. Once you notice the top is brown and it is not yet cooked, use foil paper to cover the top and allow it to cook on the remaining minutes. For this banana bread, you can store it in your fridge for a very long time. You can store it in an airtight container and leave it in your fridge for like 3 days. But if you want it to stay longer, you can store it in an airtight container and leave it in your freezer for 3 months. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.